Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. I am from Nanded. My today's topic is iterative statement in Java. The Java programming language provides a set of iterative statement that use for execute a statement of block of statement repeatedly as long as given condition is true. Iterative statements are also known as looping statements, such as a repetitive statement that provides the following iterative statements. There are four types of iterative statements: while statement, do while statement, for each statement. First one is for statement in Java. The for statement in Java is used to execute a single statement or block statement repeatedly as long as given condition is true. The statement has the following syntax is execution flow diagram. For statement, the execution begins with initialization statement. After the initialization statement, it executes condition. If the condition is evaluated true, then block statement executed. Otherwise, terminates the of for statement. After the block of statement execution, the modification statement gets executed followed by condition again. Next one is while condition statement in Java. The while statement is used to execute a single statement or block statement repeatedly as long as given condition is true. The while statement are also known as entry control looping statement. While condition is repeatedly executed as long as condition is true. Say next one is do while statement in Java. The do while statement is used to execute single statement or block statement repeatedly as long as condition is true. The do while statement is also known as the exit control looping statement. For each statement in Java. Next one is for each statement in Java. The Java for each statement was introduced since Java 5.0 version. It provides an approach to traverse through an array or condition in Java. The for each statement, also known as enhanced for a statement. The for each statement is execute the block of statement for it, and for each statement is given as array or collection. There are four types of condition. Then thank you so much.